4 raised to the power 3x minus 6 is equal to 64. We have to find the value of x. So 4 here, this we can write it as 2 to the power 2, then whole raised to the power of 3x minus 6 is equal to 64. We can write it as 2 to the power 6. Now there is an identity. If a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So this will be 2 raised to the power 2 times 3x minus 6 is equal to 2 to the power 6. Now there is a rule, if a raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 2, that means m is equal to n in this case. So 2 times 3x minus 6 is equal to 6. Exponents will be equal. Now divide both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 here gets cancelled. 2 times 3 is 6, or 3x minus 6 is equal to 3. Now add 6 to both the sides. This is called reciprocal action. It is negative 6. So we add positive 6 to remove 6 from the left hand side, and we do the same thing on the right hand side also. So this 6 and this 6 gets cancelled. 3x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So x is equal to 3. So this is one way of solving it. Let's verify it. 4 raised to the power 3x minus 6. We have to check whether it is equal to 64 or not. 4 raised to the power 3, x is 3 minus 6, or 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 3 is 64, LHS is equal to RHS. So one value of x is 3. There is another method that we can use to solve this. When a raised to the power m minus n, it is equal to a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n. So here 4 raised to the power 3x minus 6, we can write 4 raised to the power 3x upon 4 raised to the power 6 is equal to 64. We can write it as 4 raised to the power 3, or 4 raised to the power 3x upon 4 raised to the power 6. We multiply both the sides by 4 raised to the power 6. So this and this gets cancelled, or 4 raised to the power 3x is equal to, using the identity, a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So it will be 4 raised to the power 6 plus 3, 9. Again the bases are equal, that means 3x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9 upon 3. So x is equal to 3. Again here 4 raised to the power 3x minus 6, we can write 4 raised to the power 3x upon 4 raised to the power 6 is equal to 64. 4 we can write 2 raised to the power 2, then whole raised to the power 3x upon 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 6, and this side 2 raised to the power 6. So it is 2 raised to the power 6x upon 2 raised to the power 12 is equal to 2 raised to the power 6, or 2 raised to the power 6x upon 2 raised to the power 12. We multiply both the sides by 2 raised to the power 12. So this and this gets cancelled. 2 raised to the power 6x is equal to 2 raised to the power 12 plus 6, or 6x is equal to 18, or x is equal to 3. Or we can use log to solve it. We take log to both the sides, so it is log 4 raised to the power of 3x minus 6 is equal to log 64. So here we can use the, now using the property of log, log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So this property here means this exponent will come here. So it will be 3x minus 6 times log 4. Now log 4 is nothing but just a number, is equal to log 64. Now let's divide both the sides by log 4. So this and this gets cancelled. So 3x minus 6 is equal to, now log 64 we can write it as log 4 raised to the power 3, 64 as, then log 4 upon log 4, or 3x minus 6 is equal to, again this will be 3 log 4, the exponent will come here, upon log 4. So this log 4 and log 4 gets cancelled. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 3, or 3x is equal to 3 plus 6, or x is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 times 3 is 9, so x is equal to 3. So either you can use the properties of exponents or this log method to solve it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.